Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope everyone is doing fantastic. We have been off the channel for a little while, unfortunately, but we are back. We are coming back strong here. You guys see this behind me? We're dealing with that today. Let's get busy on some demolishing. All right, so as you can see, got it all cleaned out there and ready to get torn apart here. Let's get to it. So we've got a big project going on here at the shop, and that's why we are tearing that down. I won't give you all the details about it right now. I'll just sort of let it unfold in all the videos, but yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and tearing that down is the first step here. So, oh, actually, before we do that, let me sort of do a little walk around the whole shop here, because it's going to look a lot different once this is all done. So, I want to get a good before and after. Now comes the fun part. All right, as you can see, got it all down. Got a 2x4 up there I gotta get still. But I also have 4x4 there that did not pull out. And a 2x4 there, stuck in the ground as well. That one I could probably leave, though I'd like to get it out. But that one I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get it out. Let's rip that down. All right. That's got it right there. All gone. Torn down. One step down. I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching. I have no idea how long this is gonna end up being. Probably pretty short. But yeah, that's it for today. We'll catch you all in the next one. We'll be digging some holes. Fun stuff.